You guys, I'm so excited. Guess what I found at the store? Smoked hog jowl. Yeah, I know, it sounds really gross, but it is the fatty part, the cheek, and it is so good. It is basically bacon, but way cheaper. Okay, I'm gonna make some. It smells so good. So we're frying it up. Traditionally, Southerners make it for New Year's Day, just like with their black eyed peas, but it's just too delicious to only eat it one time a year. So we're gonna have it today. Okay, it's crisping up really nicely. So just kind of flipping it, because I do prefer my bacon a little more crispy. So I'm going to transfer it on some paper towels and we'll give it the taste test. Can't wait. Here it is, guys. Nice and crispy. Okay, here we go. Gonna try it. Okay, definitely very crispy. I may have even overcooked it a little. I'm not sure, but it is good. Yes, you have to try this. So good.